Hi everyone, the Keitaro team is with you and welcome. This is our course on the Keitaro tracker, which will help you to learn how to work with the tracker, enhancing your existing knowledge and skills in arbitrage and advertising promotion using the Keitaro tracker. In this course, we will talk in simple human language about how to use the tracker, how to set it up, and how to effectively use it, including all the details of the process. Everything is structured, we will tell you and show you. So let's get started. The very first question, naturally, is how do you start working with the tracker? There is nothing complicated here, and I will explain it in the next couple of minutes. First of all, you need to register a personal account on the Keitaro.io website. Open the website and click Sign Up button to register an account. A form will appear where you need to fill in your full name, your email, an active email you have access to, and a password for your personal account. We have successfully filled up all the necessary information and pressing the button Continue. So once you submit, an email confirmation form will appear. Now we have to enter a 6-digit code that have been sent to the email that you have indicated in the form. So we go to our emails box, the one you provided before, and you will find a message. We have to copy this code and insert it. So you need to enter your country and your phone number. After adding your phone number, you will receive a confirmation code which you must enter to proceed. Your Keitaro verification code will be sent to your phone number. With that, your registration is complete and you can begin installing the tracker. To install and operate the tracker, you need an active license, so this is your license key. By default, we provide all our users with an active valid license key for 2 weeks. This allows you to test your bundles, make the necessary presets, install the tracker, and start working safely. Let's move on to the installation. The tracker is installed on a separate server. By clicking the button How to install, you will find a step-by-step video guide on how to choose a server and install Keitaro on it. You can follow this video on your own, select a server and install the tracker. If you still need our help, you can always click the Need Help button to contact us. Request for help. That's it for now, and see you in the next videos. Thank you for your attention.